Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Coaster Plus Music 19. This is Gabriel, and we are checking back into Dorney Park while walking in the snow for another Iron Menace construction update. And this time, they finished half of the zero G roll as well as some more station work. And so, anyways, let's just get started with this update. There we go.